Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can solve sound problem on your Honor X7b. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix sound problem on your Honor X7b.